Morning, everybody. Thought I'd make a quick video before I hit the road. We'll drop the truck off. I'm in North Carolina, and truck stop out of fuel. So it's for real. But we're gonna ease on down the road and see if we can find a stop that has some fuel, grab some fuel, and then we're gonna try to get out of here. Head on to Greensboro. We're gonna drop the truck off and get the engine overhauled. I'll hit y'all back on another video. Thank you. Yeah, TA out of fuel. Head on the back. West. Since they out of fuel. Well, just dropped the truck off at Carolina Cat. In a week, we'll be back to pick it up.